Hello, my name is Carolina Andahar, and today we will be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your KPC5-EX and KPC5-EX pitot probe covers. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your KPC5 and KPC5-EX pitot probe covers will ensure proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The KPC5 pitot probe cover is designed for that hard-to-reach pitot probe, eliminating the need for a step ladder. It is constructed of non-melting DuPont Kevlar and is assembled with a carbon fiber installation handle, which allows for safe and easy installation and removal of the elevated pitot probes. Prior to installing the pitot probe cover, make sure to inspect the cover for any damage. Inspect the interior of the cover. Make sure the lever suction cup is clean and free of any imperfections. Make sure the surface of the aircraft is free of debris. Confirm the correct left-hand, right-hand orientation prior to installation. Firmly grasp the handle just above the lever cup attachment and align the pitot probe cover with the end of the pitot probe. Install the cover in line with a pitot probe sensor and not at an angle. Slowly press the cover onto the pitot probe with steady force until the cover is completely installed. Firmly grasp the lever on the lever cup, apply pressure, and press the lever to securely fasten the lever cup to the aircraft. The lever suction cup should not overlap with a paint line or other orifice. To remove the pitot probe cover, grasp the lever on the cup, fold the lever upward, releasing suction on the aircraft skin. Firmly grasp the handle to the pitot probe cover and slowly pull the cover away from the sensor. Ensure the cover remains straight and not at an angle until the cover is removed from the sensor. If the pitot probe cover is damaged in any way, we recommend replacing your equipment to prevent damage to your aircraft. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mild soap. Store your Executive Series GSE products in the optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.